You guys want to see something beautiful? Look at that. $2 back with the purchase of some bear with the Fetch Rewards app. Oh my gosh. I'm going to show you a deal that's going to blow your socks off for some very inexpensive bear. No coupons even needed over at Rite Aid. With the Fetch Rewards app, it's a little bit of magic and razzle dazzle. If you've never heard of this app, today, guys, sign up. It's terrific. Check out the link and use my code. It's right there on the screen. When you photograph your first receipt, it could be a pack of gum that you bought last week at Walgreens or an Egg McMuffin you bought a week ago. You're given 2,000 points, which is $2. Gift cards start around the $3 mark. You could be drinking Dunkin' Donuts this afternoon, and they often have really nice freebies. Look at this pack of Knorr noodles. You can get at any grocery store. Sign up today or you are missing out on extra points. You can photograph receipts for anything, even fast food. So it adds up quickly, guys. You really want to sign up for this app because it is quite terrific. And when they have little freebies like this, it's even better. And in case you missed the Super Bowl, I guess it's going to be taking place on February the 13th over at the Dollar General. If you love gain and all things that are cheap, check out this video linked at the very end. It's going to be crazy this weekend over at the Dollar General. I have 4 scenarios, 100% digital. Anyone can do them. Check out this video for very inexpensive gain merch. Oh my gosh. A little bit of Walgreens action here. You know that goofy coupon, $5 off of any sort of like, thank you for being a loyal customer. I got some clearance stuff today, so we'll talk about that in a quick second. And then I did the elusive basket of $30 of merch, and I did get the digital and the paper booster back. I had one snag with that 5 off of 3 for this. But we'll talk about that in a quick second. The 5 off of 3 digital coupon was there on Sunday. Today it's vanished, and usually there's a record on like Walgreens.com on their back end, but it wasn't there. So I'll tell you guys precisely what this is all about. I had to do the chat, and then I had to call customer service, which I don't like being on the phone. I'm just one of these weirdos. I don't like phone stuff. But after 45 minutes, the rep actually credited me the $5, but I would pass on this. Maybe the digital will show up later as the week progresses, but I would not even touch this unless you want to be on hold for like 50 minutes, which is not fun. We have a bit of coupon mail here from my friend Sandra. All of her information is in the notes, and I'll show you that in a quick second. And then we have some freebies over at Rite Aid we'll talk about. Weather report for you guys. Well, it is a brisk one. Another day where it's so bright outside. Like, my goodness gracious. Hi to my mom if she's watching. I hope she's having a great day. So first thing we'll talk about is this goofy little coupon. I had to use mine by Valentine's Day, and it was $5 off a purchase of beauty products. So body wash was in fact included. So I grabbed 2 of these. They are on clearance for $3.49. So for 2 of them, that's $6.98 for the 2 Old Spice body washes. Now I had $1 off 2 digital coupon plus the 5 off. So it would make it 98 cents for the 2 for Old Spice. I mean, come on, that's a really great price point. And I also found this guy on clearance. And a lot of the stuff in the shaving aisle is 90% off now. So this guy was 60 cents. So the original price point was $5.99. It's down to 60 cents. That's a really great price point. For this, I think I threw in $1 of Walgreens cash, and I just paid the tax, which was really fantastic. So if you are forgetful like me and you would just keep a coupon like that in your wallet and just put your brain in outer space asleep, it happens. Spend it by Valentine's Day, and yes, you can buy clearance stuff, so that was a great little test, and that was great. Now, when I did this first transaction, out of the Catalina machine, a 7 off of 30 printed, which I used for this transaction. Now I had a digital, which was 5,000 when you spend 20, pairing it with the paper 7,000 when you spend 30, both of those stacked, and I bought sales items. So What I will recommend from your Aunt Rach, don't do this deal because it was a headache, pain in the ass, and just, it was really bad. Believe it or not though, after everything is said and done, this was $1.92. But with this, unless that 5 off of 3 shows up, don't do the deal because the coupon was there and then it vanished. And then today it was like all hell breaking loose. And the Ibotta for this, I could not get it to work with this. And somebody had cleared all the single brushes that are like $2.99 at my store. So I had to go with these larger packs. It still made it 99 cents for 3, which is great. But my God, I would not do this deal because it was like a headache. It was really bad. So I'll just jog you through what I got. I just got my basket up to $30. These are some of the items I would grab that include the Quilted Northern and the Colgate. Don't grab this. So I'll just give you the math for these two. These are $3.99 a pop, so for $7.98. And last weekend's insert, there's $1 off coupons, and then you get back a $5 register reward when you buy 2. This is a sensational deal for the Quilted Northern. Take a look at the size of these rolls. That's toilet paper for the next 7 years. This is a really great one. These are $4.99 a pop, so for 3 of them, it's $14.97, and then you get back this guy. And then with this nightmare, these are $2.99, so that would be $8.97. The 5 off of 3 digital should have came off. It didn't. And then I did get back this. My store is currently doing COVID vaccine, so they're very busy, as is customer service, because I think a lot of people are calling Walgreens, because Walgreens, of the 3 pharmacies, I think is taking the lead right now here in Michigan on COVID vaccines. So it's like one of these sort of things, guys, where like I don't want to be a pest in the store, but I want my stuff, and calling customer service was just as challenging today. So I would definitely grab this for $14.97, these two for $7.98, and then grab something else to get your basket to $30. If you have dollars back when you spend $20, that's another alternative. But just get creative with something else. That goofy $5 off, that's a store coupon, so you couldn't use it in this basket because you would be like $5 short. So anyhow, guys, for all of this, it was $31.92. I got the cashier to scan the $7 when you spend $30, and then I presented dollar coupons for these 2, and I had to pay $29.92 out of pocket, which was a lot. I got back $11 in register rewards. I also got back $12 in Walgreens cash for the 2 boosters. And then after I got back my $5 for this, it made it $1.92 for all of this. So sometimes with the Crest coupons that are high value, they will float in, float out, blah, blah, blah. I couldn't even get my Ibotta rebate for this because it's the wrong one. It's on the single ones. So it was just like messed up from go, but it's just part of it. I'm not gonna like, you know, cry myself to sleep over this, but this was highly annoying. But anyhow, after everything is said and done, $1.92 for these 3, and I got to be on hold for a really long time today. I'm okay with that, but it just, I should have just probably went back to the store and asked them to credit me for that missing coupon. It would have been a lot painless than dealing with this, but it is what it is. I still made a deal happen, so I'm okay with that. Okay, so over at Rite Aid, these Bare aspirins, they're on a buy one, get one 50% off promotion. So for 2 of them, that's $5.38. There is no coupons for it. The one from the Smart Source are for the larger ones, not these tiny 32 counters. So roll bonus cash, pay cash out of pocket, whatever you have. You buy 2 of these, you get back $5 of bonus cash. Plus, Fetch Rewards has 2,000 points when you buy a Bear product. So it'll make it free plus a $1 moneymaker. And you can do it, you can buy 4 on one store card and it basically makes it a little freebie. So that's really great. This adult product is $5.99. There is a $2 coupon in the Smart Source, dropping it down to $3.99. You'll get $5 back in bonus cash, making it free plus a $1.01 moneymaker. And you can do this up to 4 times per store card. So let's talk about some coupon mail. This arrived today. This is from the Smart Source of February the 7th. We're just going to go through this really quickly. We're going to look at Sandra's price board, and if you want to get in touch with her as well, all that good information is in the notes. She has full inserts up for grabs, and like from California to here, it got here in like, what is that? 2 days. So she got it here really, really quickly. That's some fast shipping. This is the one for the KY as well. This is a weird coupon too. You have to do 1 per transaction. You can't like use 4 coupons in one transaction because it'll beep. It's a beeper. Some Rimmel there too. This is also another Smart Source. See, this is 250 and that product is 32, so that's where they're gonna get you. The coupon will beep. But with the Fetch Rewards app and the bonus cash, it's just really fantastic. Oh, I wish that one was a $5 one. Wouldn't that be nice over at the Dollar General? I would be set for the rest of my friggin' life. And this one is the Retail Me Not. Hope you guys are having a good Monday. I really hate talking to people on the phone and being on the phone for like 45 minutes. I almost hung up at one point because I'm like, this isn't worth it. And usually Walgreens customer service, they're so quick to being like, oh, absolutely, absolutely. And they get off the phone with you really quick. And I think they're doing a high volume of calls because of COVID. But this was excruciating being on the phone. The poor lady on the phone too, she thought I had to buy $30 of Oral-B to get the $5 off because she saw it the way it was printed in the ad. She didn't understand it. And I was like, no, that's 5 off when you buy 3. And I was so nice. I mean, I found it for her on the digital flyer, and I think she was a new hire. I think they've hired a bunch of people to talk on the phone because they're just so overwhelmed with all the COVID inquiries. Okay, let's go look at Sandra's price board. As you can see, my mind is in a million places, so we'll go look at her price board. Okay, so see that 2-6 beauty bundle? That's what I just showed you. So she has it from 5 right up to 40, whatever denomination you want. And then she also has January the 31st bundle with the February P&G and Retail Me Not. So all of her information, her link tree and email and all that good stuff is linked in the notes. Check it out. As always, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.